my bed and I knew her from the ass. Shorty looking right, she the type you wanna have. Other than that ass, her face is amazing. To make some arrangements, I caught her like a cab. Then I had to ask, shorty, where your man at? She said I don't got one. God must have planned that. Said thank you, moms, just cause she had that. Made her smile, then she giggled. Then I laughed back. Shorty, you fly higher than them birds do. Every time you walk by, I see why they flirt you. You look so surprised when I said I won't hurt you. In the past, as a man, I've been hurt too. You can make a difference if I can make a change. See what you've been missing, ain't you tired of the game? Ain't you tired of the ways you conversate to the parking lot? Here goes a bitch, so hit it, you can call it now. But I know,
looking at you, make me wanna get with you. And baby, I can't help myself. I wanna get with you, baby. Looking at you, make me wanna get with you. And baby, I can't help myself.
and this was
I wanna get with you,
so I head home, I hear my ringtone. There she goes, she calling my phone. No hesitation, yes I answered. Intrigued by my conversation, think I grabbed her. We talked for hours, smiles and laughter. She hit the rain showers on the day after. So capture this moment in your life for once. You won't be left by. You could be right, that's alright. You ain't that on the scene type. You could be my star. Shine so bright, though this life is dark. I'ma shed some light, alright? Alright. Night falls, we get in the pillow talk and it's real deep. Like a real dream, but this isn't real sleep. And if love you willing to learn, cause I will teach. To the past be willing to burn, now meet the real me. Me.
looking at you, make me wanna get with you. And baby, I can't help myself. I wanna get with you, baby. Looking at you, make me wanna get with you. And baby, I can't help myself. I wanna get with you, baby.
We met at the same place. It was the same time, but not the same way. So you know I paid mine, I'm still the same J. Unlike most, we got close, we on the same page. I kept it cool and stay smooth, we move at the same pace. So I tell her this, ma, here's something I have to say. Honestly, I think it been me. You're a temptation, no beauty, skin deep. We both grown and know that all kind of talk is cheap. I'ma show you something different, come walk with me. Here's something that you ought to see. A better life to get right, and it starts with this good. And you know what I'm talking about. I don't want your wet bitch, I just put it in your mouth. Hey, Slick, what's up, man? What's up?
They think we can do it.
But guess what? We did. Yes. Bitch. Hey. You fly, little mama, I'm fly too. You a fly chick, well I'm a fly dude. I was thinking that the sky we can fly to. I'm feeling you, but it's me that you into. What the hell? Okay, I'm into you.
Like Freddy Cougar, never tap out like Lex Luger. I like big rats, yeah, just like cougars. This hair went down, what's like this?
Ain't got a home like a man, had to keep it top chain. Baby, roll with the best and get it left with the rest. Go ahead, put some other records in the left.
For no reason, I can't believe it. She sees it, so she's so fly. But so am I.
You don't have to smoke to get high with me. Misconceived, say hi to me. No wings, but you look fly to me. I'm up there, be fly with me. You don't have to seek, doesn't ride with me. You don't wanna go, don't lie to me. Just lie with me. Anyway, what it do? I'm trying to get it you, swag terrific too. I'm up front, that's how a nigga do. They can play the back like a whistle too. You make me melt like ice cream. You want to the scoop.
She's so fly, no reason. I can't believe it. She sees it. Hey, she's so fly. But so am I.
She fly, slim waist up with her tight eyes. Keep facing, she got on my type, and I'm on that go, but she on like light. Not cause when I guys come through, she'll make you reminisce like a throwback. Take a pic, I'll freeze, show that. She'll make you reminisce like a throwback. Let me go and take a picture. You wanna the shot so bad cause I'm a real nigga. Got the paparazzi mad cause you the only one getting pictures of a nigga that they wish they had. When I pull up on the scene, all I see is lights flash. Stepping out the whip so dipped on their ass. The nigga move quick, take a picture while you can, but you gotta make it fast cause the brother got plans. Just like pose, might not throw, won't know, but it's best to get the show up on the road. Everywhere I go, people asking me close, you 2 or 3 hoes, I don't care if they expose it. I'ma just keep doing what I do, depending on my mood, I'll let you take a few. Then after that, gotta let it nigga through. I'm kinda pressing time cause I got stuff to do. Right now, I don't need it. Nah, I don't need it. Lose your feeling. You're far too kind. Showcase on the beat. Stop, stay with